But sometimes you might be wondering, like, okay, this girl is achieving her dreams, this girl is manifesting things, but why am I not manifesting it? Though I believe in the law of attraction. So here is your answer.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
So now something very important I want to share. Today I got an email, and this one person, she was asking that, AJ, I believe in the law of attraction. I have absolutely no doubt in the law of attraction. I have absolute faith in the universe. But I'm not achieving my dreams. I'm not manifesting my dreams. And why is it so? And it's not just her question. Every day we get questions like this. Every day people ask us similar things. People ask me in my workshops. People ask me in my mentoring programs. They keep writing emails, messages on our page, and they say like, AJ, I don't have doubt in law of attraction. I don't have the doubt in the universe. But why am I not achieving my dreams? And then she mentioned that I know about your gratitude program, and I learn about gratitude through some of your videos, and you keep talking about it. You keep talking about affirmations. You keep talking about these processes. But she said, I know all these things, but I'm not able to practice. I know what to do, how to do, but I'm not able to do it on a daily basis. So why am I not achieving my dreams or desires, even if I trust the universe, even if I try to be positive? And some of you must be going through the similar situation, because I'm going to give you the insight. Like, if you believe in the law of attraction, if you believe in the universe, if you try to be very positive, if you try to achieve your dreams, but you are not manifesting it. So you are kind of a situation where you keep wondering, like, why is it working for other people? Why is it not working for me? When you see videos like the videos of Devaki, Anand, and then you probably, some of you wonder, you feel really happy for them, but sometimes you might be wondering, like, okay, this girl is achieving her dreams, this girl is manifesting things, but why am I not manifesting it? Though I believe in the law of attraction. So here is your answer. The key thing is, you know that the law of attraction works. You know that the universe works for you. So you know everything and you believe in that, all these things. But you are not actually able to implement it in your life. You are not able to get aligned with the universe. You are not able to get aligned with your dreams. You are not able to feel the deservingness that you deserve your desires and dreams. So it's like there is a huge difference between knowing something and doing something. If you know that these things exist, but you are not doing the things that you can use or you can get aligned so that you start manifesting it. So let me give you this example. And one of the big reasons why many people, even if they're believing in the universe, law of attraction, why they are not manifesting their desires, one of the big thing is their inner fears and doubts that they have within them. So they believe in the universe, they set their goals, they set their desires, everything. And they know that the law of attraction is working, the universe is taking care of them. But they don't believe in themselves that yes, they deserve the dream. They deserve to receive it. They are trusting the universe, but they are not trusting themselves. So what is happening, that you know that the universe can deliver these dreams to you. You know that the universe has the power to give this manifestation to you, but you are not yet ready to receive it. Why you are not receiving it? Why you don't have that deservingness? There could be many reasons, but the key reasons are you have lot of fears or lot of doubts or lot of negative programmings that has happened in past or in present. That you doubt yourself. You want something, but you don't feel that you deserve it. And that's the key. That's the key of the law of attraction, that if you want to achieve something, the first thing you need to do is you have to be in the deserving mode. You have to be in that state where you feel that yes, I believe in the law of attraction, I believe in the universe, but now I'm ready to receive it. I deserve my dreams. I deserve to be rich. I deserve to be successful. I deserve to get that dream job. I deserve to heal that relationship. I deserve to receive all the love, joy, romance in your life. And I deserve all the success, happiness, and abundance in the universe. So, unless you believe that, no matter how much you believe in the universe, no matter how much you believe in the law of attraction, you are not believing in. So, the law of attraction is there, and you are here, and there is no connection between you and your dreams. So you need to build that bridge. Sometimes why you are not able to do it? Because you have too much of fears, but when you are thinking about your dreams, you are thinking about the biggest dream possible. Like let's suppose you are going through some financial issues. You don't have like enough money to survive, or you don't have enough money to take care of your day-to-day affairs, or live a comfortable life first, and you are going through all these challenges with money. But whenever you are thinking about law of attraction or manifestation, all of a sudden you are focusing on manifesting $1 million. And when you are focusing on manifesting $1 million, you feel positive for a moment, and then you feel that it's not going to work for me. There is a doubt, there is a gap, there is a things that is not going to work for me. So that is why you need to remove that doubt. And when you remove that doubt, you start manifesting. How can you create the deservingness? And that's where the second question of this lady came. She said like, I know about gratitude from you, I know about affirmations, I know about visualizations, but I'm not practicing them. So again the same thing. Knowing never going to give you the manifestation. Knowing is not enough. Doing is the key. So she knew everything. She knew so many tools and processes. And forget about so many tools and processes. Just you need to practice gratitude, affirmation, and some of the core practices. If you just practice gratitude to the utmost level possible, you can start manifesting things. So the next thing is, you know things, but if you don't do it, if you don't practice it, how could you able to remove those fears, doubts, negativity, and create that deservingness? That's why you need to practice it. That's why you need to be in that flow, that where you raise your vibration, where you remove all your limitations, and you start manifesting it. So the key to manifestation, yes, you believe in the universe, you believe in the dreams, you believe in the law of attraction. Next thing, you have to believe in yourself that yes, you deserve your dreams. Be aware about your negative thoughts, be aware about your doubts, remove those doubts, practice the tools and techniques that I keep teaching you. Be in the flow of gratitude, keep practicing affirmation. If you want to be in the next level, you can join some of our programs like 28 Magic Practice. Then you can learn gratitude to the deepest level. Then you can join the Transform Your Destiny workshop and learn how to unlock your subconscious mind and go deeper in program. So you need to start implementing the tools, you need to start doing the process. And when you start doing it, that's where you go from undeservingness to deservingness. That's where you get aligned with the universe. That's where you get aligned with the law of attraction. That's where manifestation started happening. That's the thing you need to follow. And I'm sure so many of you got your insight, so many of you got why things are not working, even if you believe in the law of attraction. So one thing you are going to do from today is to start implementing, start practicing, and start being in the mode that yes, you deserve your dreams. And if you are setting some dreams which seems to be really big, then just lower it down to a level where you first want to achieve. Like the way I said, if you are struggling with struggling financially and you struggle to make enough money to live a comfortable life, then don't focus on $1 million directly. Just focus on first manifesting enough money so that you can have a better life, a comfortable life. Once you reach that level, once you manifest that, then take it to the next level. Take it to the next level and then focus on the next level. This is how your power of manifestation will go stronger. you could able to achieve more, you could able to have more faith in yourself, your positivity will go high, your vibration will go high, and you start creating magic. So I'm sure all of you must be aware, and all of you must got this insight what to be done now and how to be get aligned. If you got your answer, do let me know in the comment section, and let me know that yes, now you are going to be in the deserving mode. So I want all of you to write in the comment that yes, I deserve my dreams, I deserve my dreams, yes, I deserve my dreams. Because the number one thing that you need to remember is you deserve to manifest your dreams. You deserve all your dreams. You deserve to live a happy, successful, magical, abundant life. Yes, I deserve. That's the key.